Hi, good afternoon. Today we're making Channa curry with potato. Alright, I'm gonna make some Channa curry with potato. Alright guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna add some oil. I have garlic and pepper, onion grind up, half an onion, 5 flake of garlic, this some olive oil, and 1 pepper. One of these pepper, alright. This is the onion and garlic we grind up. I'll put some cilantro. This is the Spanish one that grind up in the jar. One chicken cube. Some green seasoning. Gotta make this potato curry taste good. This potato Channa curry tastes good. Some thyme. A little bit of tomato paste. That's it. Some turmeric. Curry powder. Jeera. And the masala. A little bit of salt. That's too much. Potato, and then bonje up. Bonje potato curry with Channa, the chickpeas. Try the Channa. Either sa gapori and roti. Roti. Potato curry with Channa. I'll just curry up there. Smells amazing. Smells delicious already. I'm gonna add some hot water like cooked, alright? I'm making sure the this is cooking down, almost ready. Nice potato with chickpeas curry. Beautiful. I'm gonna add some scallion. Always let the potato cook and become a starch, the way it can thicken up by itself. And let's see how the potato is getting together. It's getting nicer. It's getting right there, right on the money. Almost finished. A couple more minutes and we're ready. Make sure I don't hold tomato. That's actually nice tomato in there. Nice chickpeas potato curry. Smells good, delicious. Also, this is 2 potatoes and 1 can of chickpeas. Alright, you guys see me earlier. I'll show you guys a potato and a chickpeas. 2 whole potato and a chickpeas. Half onion, 5 flakes garlic, and 1 pepper, hot pepper. A teaspoon of salt. And then you have 1 teaspoon of green seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cilantro. Alright, yes. And it's almost ready. It's getting nice and thick. Potatoes cook already. This is nice. Couple more minutes, and we're ready. Like to get a nice, see how it's getting there? See, beautiful curry. See how it caramelized by itself. Yeah, almost there. The potato give it a body, the starch of the potato to bring the curry together. A lot of places where you go buy potato curry is like water, man. Hate that shit. Why now potato curry, nice body, not a water running. Almost there. Getting nice and getting together. Nice potato curry. See you guys. Nice potato curry. Five more minutes, this is ready. This quick thing I gotta put together. I gotta head out. I'm going to South. Come home, tired. Shot the stuff yesterday from work. Tired today. Appreciate you guys watching my channel. Support, for all the support. Thank you guys. It's a nice potato curry. I'll have this for dinner tonight when we come back. Alright, that's it. Finish. Let me take this spoon off. Too much smoke. Alright guys, thank you. Alright, you guys enjoy the rest of the night, the rest of the day. Alright, look at this curry guys. Let me show you. This is see this curry? Beautiful. Alright, this is nice curry. Look at this curry. Beautiful, man. Let me take a picture of this. Alright guys, curry, beautiful potato curry. Look at that beautiful potato curry. Check it out guys, beautiful potato curry. Can't get better than that, man. It's looking like caramelized potato right there. See that? Beautiful.